us to advocate the abolishment of the Federal Department of Education. The Federal Department of Education gives each state 11 cents out of every dollar that every state spends, but it comes with 16 cents worth of strings attached. So what America does not understand is that it's a negative. Be amazed at 99 cents. Our 99-cent